Okay, let's try to compute here the number of examinees who got a score between that of May and Marie. Now, si May, meron siyang z-score na 0.18 at si Marie meron siyang z-score na 0.07. So, if we sketch the unit normal curve, the standard normal distribution, or the unit normal curve, your mean here is always the 0. Now, you locate the two z-scores. Yung mauuna na mas malapit sa 0 is 0.07 here. We have 0.07. Tapos, dito si 0.18. Now, we want the between. Now, in order to get that, kasi nga yung nasa table nyo is less than, ang malaking portion niyan is ito. This is the probability that your z is less than equal to 0.18. That area from 0.18 of this z, the whole region there. Now, ibabawas mo yung hindi kasali. That is actually minus the probability that your z is less than equal 0.07. Yan. Now, puro yan less than equal or less than, nasa table nyo yan. Now, we look at 0.18. Well, the answer of Hamdi here, we have 0.5714 minus the area ng Marie. Oh, you missed the point here. So, we have 0.05. Ako na naman nagkamali. 0.5 to 7. Okay, there. So, the answer here is 0.0435. Okay? 0.0435. Now, itong 0.0435, since ito yung area now ng shaded region, you're going to multiply that with the number of examinees. Kasi nga, hinahanap natin yung number of examinees who got a score between Marie and May. So, you multiply that with 1,200 and there are 52 students. So, there. Pag ang tinanong is what percentage of the examinees got a score between May and Marie, your answer is the percentage form nito. We have 4.35%.